What if your company never slept? This is our day zero shell portal, which comes installed with all the standard agentic features. You can create any task and assign it to AI to do the stuff and get back to you with a comment. And this is our Copilot, a chat-like interface where you can ask anything from your company brain. And here is your agent's team. Chief of staff at the top and others who report to it runs their own pod. You can create your own complex workflows with drag and drop blocks with event and time triggers. For example, do this particular task when a new email arrives. And you can also see real-time all spend done by any agent over the whole month or like today. So Shell is basically your operating system, and you can install CRM, finance, support, books, anything you want as additional custom modules. For example, here we have installed a custom CRM module which we have built for us internally. We have board level pipeline, every named account, every value, every honor, every stage. A research grade dossier, persona, journey, alerts, the brief and actual account executive reads. Leadership, strategy shifts, capex cycles, competitive moves, the brief and exec walks into the boardroom with. The Copilot understands every module installed. For example, here it knows it has to use CRM.